Hello viewers, I remain your humble mathematician Godwin Honor, otherwise known as Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution. So let us consider the next episode, which is episode what? 39, which says find the principal, which amount to 72,800 naira at simple interest in 4 years at 3% per annum. The question says under episode what? 39, say find the principal which amount to 72,800 naira at simple interest in 4 years at 3% per annum. So the exercise, okay, this is the exercise you have to do. Question 1. So if 15,000 amount to what? Amount to 20,000 naira in 2 years at simple what? Interest. What is a simple interest? What is the rate of interest? So here you are asked to calculate the interest. You are asked to calculate what? The interest, the rate of interest. Okay? So that is just it. So let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. So we start by saying analysis. Analysis. And what? Analysis and solution. Okay, here we are asked to find the principal which amount to what? Amount to this at a simple interest in 4 years. So here we are given the amount and also we are given the years. This is the amount, this is the years, and this is the rate percent, or yes, rate percent. So here, what formula are we going to use? Actually, this is a question from commercial mathematics. It's from commercial mathematics, in which we are asked to find the find the principal. So the amount, the principal amounted to this, but we don't know the principal. So we start by saying it. So from what formula can we resolve this? Now we cannot resolve this through simple interest formula. We can't resolve it through simple interest. So we have to recall or think the method or the formula through which we can resolve this kind of problem is our amount. Amount, the formula for amount. So we now say from amount. We now say from amount. Then amount. Okay, this is the formula for amount, which is principal, open bracket, 1 plus r all over 100 raised to the power of n. Okay, so here P stands for principal. Yeah, this is 1. R stands for rate, which is a rate percent. N stands for years. Okay, now let's see. What is our amount? Let's use the A to represent our amount. A represents our amount. The amount is what? 72,800. 72,800. Then we talk about N, which is 4. 4 years. 4 years is our N. Then we talk about what? Rate. The rate percent, which is 3%. Then here we are asked to find principal, which I will represent by P. Our principal is P. So now we cannot substitute all these values into this formula, which implies our amount is what? Can you see it? Which is 72,800 equals P, which is this principal. Open bracket 1 plus the rate is what? 3 over what? 100. This 100 Our n is what? 4. Okay, our n is 4. Okay, now that we are done with this, with the substitution, let us clean this side. Okay, which implies, okay, which is 72, 800 equals P, open bracket, 1 plus. Okay, now from here we can divide. That's 3 divided by 100. 3, yes, divided by what? 100. Let's see. Okay, so we are having a 0.03 raised to the power of 4. Okay, that is it, which implies 72 this 1000 equals to P, open bracket. So we add them together. So look up. So you can see from this is P, open bracket, 1 plus 0.03. So add the 1 plus, so here we now have a 1 point, that's 1 plus 0, we give a 1.03 raised to the power of 4. So, which implies 72,800 equals to, so let's see, this, that is 1.03 raised to the power of what? 4. So what do we supposed to have? Okay, then I will have 1.12. Okay, let's say 5. Okay, P. Okay, let us take it. That is 1.1255. Okay, then therefore we can bring this one, that is 1.1255 P equals what? 72,800. Okay, so let's clean this side. I decided to bring this one to this side and take this side to the right hand side. Okay, so let's clean this. Okay, so at this stage, we divide both sides by the coefficient of P, because P stands for principal. Therefore, now that is 1.1255 P all over 1.1255 equals 72,800. Okay, when we cancel, therefore now we have a P equals, so dividing 72,800 all over 1.1255. So let's see what we likely get. Okay, that is 72,800 divided by 1.1255. So we are now having a what? 64. We are now having a 64, 682. 682. Okay, yes, and let's take two significant figures. Therefore now P now, which is a principal, Our principal is what? 60 what? Our principal is our 65 what? Thousand. 5,000 to how many? To three significant people. Three significant people. Okay? Three significant people. So automatically what we have arrived at. So the principal that amounted to what is 72,800 is 65,000 naira. That is when we approximated it to three significant figure. So this is a 64,682 points. So. But here we just quickly approximate it to 65,000. Yes, to three significant. That is to two significant figure. We approximated it to two significant figure and not three. So here it should be two significant figure. That's two significant figure. And that is all to this.